Hello everyone. Today's topic is Tyndall effect. When a beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution placed in a dark room, the path of beam becomes visible. This effect is called a Tyndall effect. This effect is also called as Tyndall scattering. Let us learn this topic with the help of one experiment. For that, we need 3 beakers. Fill all the 3 beakers with distilled water. Now, first beaker we will keep it as it is. In the second beaker we will dissolve sugar which is near about 1 full spoon. In the third beaker we will add 2-3 drops of milk. Now, through the first beaker, if we will shine a torch, we will not able to see a light beam which is passing through the beaker. But we will see just it as it is emerges unchanged from the other side. Now we will shine a torch through the second beaker which is containing a sugar solution. Here also we will not able to see a light beam which is passes through it. Now we will shine the torch through the third beaker which is containing milky water. Now here we can easily see a light beam which is passes through it. This is a Tyndall effect. Let us discuss it in detail. In distilled water, the particles are too small to obstruct the path of light beam. That's why we are not able to see the beam. Now we will move towards the next solution. That is a sugar solution which is a homogeneous mixture, and that's why it follows the properties of solvent once again. So we are not able to see a path of light beam. But in the third beaker which is containing milky water is a colloidal solution of milk particles and water. And in this, light will travel in different direction due to dispersed particles, and that's why we can easily see the path of light beam. This effect is also useful to identify the type of solution, whether the given liquid is solution or colloid. I hope you have learned this topic very well. Thank you.